How to master fast English from confusion to clarity. So, understanding fast English doesn't happen overnight. Train your brain to understand fast English. Have you ever felt like English speakers are racing through their sentences when you are trying to catch every word? If yes, then you are not alone. Understanding fast English can be challenging, but today I'm gonna help you to understand fast English. I'm gonna provide you some sort of tips, tricks, and techniques which will help you to train your brain to understand fast English. At the same time, you are gonna train your brain to comprehend rapid speech like a native speaker. In this video, you'll be learning how to master fast English from confusion to clarity. So, let's move on to the topic. I'm going to provide you some sort of tips which will definitely help you to ace this problem. So the first tip that I'm going to provide you here is you have to learn about contractions. Native speakers often use contractions and sometimes they drop syllables. At the same time, they just try to blend words together. So this is the thing that they just try to utilize. Similarly, if you just want to understand fast English, so make sure that you need to learn about contractions. This will definitely help you to understand fast English. Second tip for you is you do not need to rely on understanding every single word. What you need to do, you just need to identify some sort of keywords and try to grasp the meaning of the sentence. So this is gonna help you to understand the overall meaning of the sentence. So rather than relying on each word, make sure that you are going to focus on important word and understand the context of the sentence and try to identify the meaning of the sentence. This is the thing which you need to do. Apart from that, the bonus tip which I would like to provide you here is that you just have to dive into those kind of speeches, or you have to listen to some sort of authentic speeches where the speaker is speaking English fast. If you are going to immerse yourself in authentic speeches, it will allow you to understand rapid speech. Now I'm gonna provide you another tip, that is shadowing. If you are trying to apply shadowing technique, it will definitely help you a lot in understanding fast English. How? Because whenever we are trying to practice shadowing techniques, it allows us to repeat the same word as it has been spoken by the native speaker. So whatever the native speaker is speaking, we are hearing that sound and we are immediately repeating as it is. So this is gonna help us to enhance our understanding towards fast English. And the last tip for you is patience. Patience is very crucial. You have to have the patience because understanding fast English doesn't happen overnight. But by practicing consistently, you will be able to achieve your targets and you'll be able to comprehend fast English accurately. But what you need to do, you just have to immerse yourself in some authentic speeches. At the same time, whatever the things or the targets that you have made in order to actualize your goals, so you just have to practice consistently. In this way, I can say that consistent practice plays an eminent role in order to tackle your targets. I hope this little information is gonna help you to understand fast English. When I was facing the difficulties, so I was also trying to utilize all these techniques. It helps me a lot. I don't know whether it will work for you or not, but if it works, then it's perfect. If not, then you can try some alternatives. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for spending your precious time. If you are having any question, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Thank you. See you in the upcoming video with some amazing tips, tricks and techniques related to